Well, the College of Healthcare Professions is dedicated to educating and training the future Texas medical field. And with their new South San Antonio campus, it's very easy for you to get a start on your new career. And joining us to tell us a little bit more, CHCP Executive Director Robert Wiseman is here, and Director of Education Andrea Longoria. It's good to see you guys. Thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Now, this is a college with a 30-year history in San Antonio. That's a big deal.
Yes, it is. We're very proud of our South San Antonio campus. We're at the corner of Southwest Military and I-35, and our company was founded by physicians who really wanted to see healthcare professionals get quality training, skill training they need. So we were originated in the Texas Medical Center in Houston, and we have campuses all throughout Texas.
But the gym, I suppose, is this brand new South San Antonio campus. Very exciting to announce that this is here to serve, of course, all of San Antonio, but this is in the heart of the south side of San Antonio.
Yes, it is. We're very proud of it. We are offering medical assistant, dental assistant, medical coding and billing, and pharmacy tech programs. And it's just time that South San Antonio has a quality college program, and we're very proud to be the ones to help them do that.
Absolutely. Andrea, I know the college features something called a blended program. What does that mean?
Absolutely. So our blended classroom is exactly what it sounds like. It's a blend of both in-class, face-to-face education, and couple that with online education is the experience. So they're able to simultaneously come to campus 2 days a week, connect with instructors, their classmates, and the rest of the time they can work from home or wherever they really choose to receive that quality medical education experience.
That really is the best of both worlds, because you're getting that experience on campus and that great learning experience, but for people who are busy, you're also able to do some of that work at home.
Flexibility, that's what a traditional student or non-traditional student really needs these days, is flexibility to maintain family and work and have a job and outside experiences.
Absolutely. Okay, Andrea, let's talk a little bit too about what happens after you graduate, because I know it's very important to help your students find a job.
Absolutely. So our career services team partners with existing employers. We have existing employer relationships that we foster. We also look to develop new ones every single day. We also work and partner with our students to go over interview practice, professionalism coaching, resume writing, and show them how to create really a self-directed job search. But we provide leads, we provide assistance, and we're there every step of the way with our graduates.
That's fantastic. Okay, Robert, let's talk a little bit more about this new campus, because I know a lot went into it. What's special about this campus?
What's special about this campus is we're right in the heart of South San Antonio. We're there to serve that community. We're hoping that we're going to be part of the medical community that continues to grow in South San Antonio with expansion of hospitals, urgent care clinics, specialist groups, and we want to be able to send out employees that are going to be a great asset to the community.
Absolutely. Okay, let's talk a little bit about getting in. I know there is financial aid for those who qualify, so don't let that frighten you. If you want to know more about what's going on at the College of Healthcare Professions, got an open house happening this weekend, right?
Yes, we're very excited about it. We're going to have great food, entertainment. We're going to have just a great time, something for everyone. Come on out, check out our campus, see everything we have to offer. We're going to have health screenings, et cetera, et cetera. Hope to see you there. All
of the good, important stuff. Andrea, what would you say to the future students who are watching this morning about coming out, checking out the campus, and really just enjoying the open house?
Really, if you're interested in making a career change, the first step is just showing up. And after that, you have a team of people who are there to guide you and show you the way to help you get to where you want to be as a medical professional.
All right, guys, this weekend is your chance to learn more. I'm going to put up some information for you. Write this all down. It is the College of Healthcare Professions. Their new South San Antonio campus is on Southwest Military Drive. It's 1964 Southwest Military Drive. There's a big open house happening this Saturday, February 24th from 10 to 4 with campus tours, refreshments, all sorts of great health screenings. And, of course, you can find out more online at chcp.edu, and you can also give them a call. The phone number is on the screen. It's 957-3826 for more information.